Well guys, I was gonna come in here and tell you this was gonna be the best video we've done yet, but Tom, he's not ready today. He told me he's not ready. Welcome to Friday, you guys.
Russell, Tom, it's another Friday. The weekend's about to be here. Fall started this week.
Man.
The leaves have already started dropping off the trees up here, and we're getting some gorgeous late, I don't know, Indian summer, early fall weather. Gorgeous.
It's very nice. Very iffy every day this time of year here.
Yes.
So you guys know, if you follow the channel, watch videos every week, we are gonna dive into the S13 starter pack today.
And these are essential parts.
If you're buying an S13, these are the things you need to know before you dive into that.
Before you buy the S13, invest in the official
research
Nissan Parts CC S13 starter pack.
That's right, all of it.
That's the part number. Look it up on the website.
We'll have affiliate links below for all the stuff that we don't sell. Oh man. But for real though, got a few things to tell you guys about here. If you're buying an S13, this car started being manufactured in 1989. It's an old car, so you know, do your research before you buy it. Know what you're getting yourself into. What is this? We're starting off with a fruit fly in here. But do your research, find the resources, start following some people on social media, find the companies you want to deal with. We even had somebody comment one of their essentials for the S13 was the weekly 10% off coupon from Nissan Parts. I couldn't agree more. It was actually number one on my list, but I took it off since it's already mentioned.
The nice thing about that is it applies to everybody, even non-S13 owners.
Yeah, and a lot of this will apply to other vehicles too, but we got a couple S13 things here that, you know, are very specific to the S13. So, you know, obviously, probably the one thing that I think almost everyone listed in their comment was zip ties. Once again, something that you should have a pack of zip ties in your garage anyway.
Yeah.
Because you never know what you might need it for. Duct tape.
Good one.
It's another great essential to have anywhere. This is one that I did not think about, but Ray handed it to me. I told him what we were doing. I had to borrow a few things for some shots here, and he handed me a dead blow hammer. He said because you're gonna have that thing up in the air, you're gonna put the coilovers on it, you're gonna adjust the suspension, you're gonna put it down. Next thing you're gonna reach for is a dead blow hammer to make everything fit. What you got?
Let me see what's on here. I mean, this should be on the top of the list. 10mm wrench socket.
Yeah, and I think specifically that one. Get more than one.
Yeah.
It's gonna be very important. Keep one in your ashtray. Keep one in the glove box.
If you can get a 10mm keychain.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
Yeah. Or a bottle opener magnet. That's a good idea.
Carbon fiber
Nissan branded maybe to keep on your little garage fridge if you have one. Jack stands. Floor jack.
Yes, quick lift floor jack, low profile.
Low. You know why you want the low one. Don't get a regular one and then go try to lift your car and you're gonna be mad. You'll be taking bumpers off and side skirts and all kinds of fun stuff. In all seriousness, you know, you get S13, go through the suspension, go through the brakes before you hit the road on that thing. Nothing worse than finding out that, you know, something doesn't work.
Right.
Especially driving down the road. But yeah, what else?
Coolant.
I've got a bottle of coolant here.
Lots and lots of green coolant.
If you want coolant, we got coolant, but we don't really like shipping it. So, but coolant, you can get coolant anywhere.
Yeah.
But if you're local, you want some Nissan coolant, we got you. We got you. How about a service manual or electrical diagrams? And these can kind of be difficult to come by, especially if you're looking for an OEM one. But Tom has one right in front of him.
Look at this.
A lot of great details in there. And then this, I'd borrow this from my good buddy Ray out in the shop. This is electrical diagrams. and I'm gonna use Tom for a little assist on this one. Soak that up.
Right. Pause the video. See if you can zoom in.
Yeah. Good luck. But you know, things like this, I know that there are some forums and things like that still exist online that have some of these in PDF form. So my suggestion to you is to find those, save them or print them, because they're probably going to disappear eventually.
Does this have a number on the back of it? Yeah, it does, a long one. I was gonna say you could check on eBay. I would just do electrical diagram.
Yeah, there are people with these. I posted a picture of this year or so back on Instagram, and there were a handful of people who said they did get them. Sometimes if you have a dealership in your area that's been around for a long time, you know, maybe hit them up. See if they'll sell it to you or even let you have it, because some of those people, some of those dealers, you know, they might not see S13s anymore, and you know, they could care any less, and they're just storing it.
Right.
So they might turn it loose, they might sell it to you, you know, maybe buy them pizza or something, hook them up.
Another thing you can do too, this is what I do because I've got some oddball cars, is I'll go service manual, vehicle, PDF, and then there might be somebody that's uploaded a PDF file of it.
Yeah.
And you can either print it off or just save it and refer to it as needed. I found that because I've got some weirdo cars, and
yeah, if you're looking for Japanese JDM specific stuff, that can be a little bit more difficult. If you know of a website where those catalogs are, let us know in the comments. Don't post a link, just tell us where to go, because YouTube is filtering out comments with links. So they're just taking them down, which is a bummer. But this week's 10% off coupon code is going to be Coolant. And our $100 store credit goes to
Zero Oath. Good job.
His comment on S13 Essential Starter Pack: number 1, coolant. Number 2, coolant. Number 3, a job to support your coolant addiction. You know, coolant is important, guys, so check your coolant. And if you need a new coolant bottle, we can help you out with that too. But there's so many things on S13. I think that, you process all the orders.
Yeah.
You deal with the emails. S13 is top of the list for us. We love you guys. I don't think we've, made it our favorite car, but it is the biggest portion of our customer base right now. And we just put together 2 new kits, one of which is an S13 under hood refresh kit. Hood bumpers, hood, the prop rod clip, grommet, and there's a little bumper or rest that sits on to keep it from shaking around too much. It includes all those. One click, add to cart, you get your underhood refreshed, and a lot of happiness and joy it will bring you.
One click purchase.
S13 pop-up headlight refresh kit, which actually includes all of the available parts for the pop-ups. So if those components going up and down constantly, they wear out. Everything in that kit is really popular, but if you want to simplify the thought process, help a buddy out, just send them the link and say, look, fix your problems.
Do yourself a favor.
Yeah, and you'll probably never have to replace that stuff again, because, it's already been on there for
40 years.
Yeah.
Ish.
Yeah. So if we missed anything here, guys, comment below. Tell us about it, please. This video could be an hour long of us telling you what to do to your S13, but we're not going to do that. We just want to touch on a few things. If you're new to the scene, if you need to know some people to contact online, people to follow, what is going on?
I don't know. With these fruit flies.
It's been a problem in here. The whole building, the fruit flies. I don't think we have a food issue. You got produce up there at the front counter?
I've got some old yogurt cartons. That might be it.
That'll do it.
There it goes. No.
But anyway, you got anything else to add?
No, other than have a great weekend. And we appreciate you guys and gals. We're getting orders from all over the place. Ireland, Switzerland, Germany,
Australia.
Italy, Australia coming through strong.
Yeah.
With the orders.
Thank you, Australia. We appreciate you guys. We're still working out kinks on our end with international shipping. It's still very new for us, but tell your friends, send them our way. We'll work through the process. They're having an issue ordering, try to help them. No oversize, nothing too big, too heavy. So a lot of small stuff. But yeah, that's it.
All right, go out, enjoy the weekend, get some sun, wash your car, do something, have fun.
Go buy a new floor jack.
Oh, should we mention the discount coupon for Harbor Freight for the S13 guys?
I don't think we can.
No, we're not allowed to.
It's only for us limited employees on.
All right, guys.
Take
See
care.
ya.
Good weekend.